Did you know that over 60% of new affiliate marketers earn their first commissions without ever owning a website? You can actually start making money online today. No domain, no blog, and no tech headaches. Hey everyone, welcome back to Zero Face Cash, the channel that shows you how to make money online without showing your face. In this video, I'll reveal how you can start affiliate marketing with zero website, using simple, faceless methods that work in 2025 and beyond. When people first hear about affiliate marketing, they think they need to spend weeks building a website, designing landing pages, and writing endless blog posts. But here's the thing. Most beginners never get started because this feels overwhelming. One big challenge is trust. Many ask, how will anyone click my link if I don't have a legit website? Another is visibility. How do you even get people to see your affiliate offers without a blog driving traffic? These are real concerns, but they shouldn't stop you. Thousands of smart marketers use faceless strategies to skip all the tech headaches and still get eyes on their offers every single day. So, what actually works if you don't have a website? First, you can use social media platforms like Pinterest, TikTok, and Reddit. Share quick tips, product comparisons, or helpful posts that link directly to your affiliate products. People love bite-sized, helpful content, and you stay completely faceless. Second, try email marketing. Instead of building a full website, create a simple free landing page with a tool like MailerLite or ConvertKit. Offer a free resource, like a checklist or mini guide, to collect emails. Then send your affiliate recommendations straight to your subscribers' inboxes. Third, the faceless YouTube method. My personal favorite. Make short voiceover videos like this one. Match them with stock clips, and drop your affiliate links in the description. Your videos do the selling for you, 24/7, while you stay 100% anonymous. Here's what's worked best for me. Faceless YouTube plus a simple email list. When I started, I didn't want to spend money on a website or appear on camera, so I made short videos using AI voiceovers and free stock clips. I added my affiliate links and gave away a free checklist to get people onto my email list. One short video brought me my first $500 commission, all without a website or ads. The secret? Focus on helping people solve a small problem and make it easy for them to take the next step through your link. So remember, you don't need a website to succeed in affiliate marketing. Use social media, email lists, or faceless YouTube to build trust and share value. Keep it simple, stay consistent, and those commissions will follow. If you found this helpful, drop a comment below and tell me, have you tried affiliate marketing yet? Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and check out my other videos for more faceless ways to make money online. See you in the next one.